Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you the best coin you can invest in. Okay, so if you are looking for where to make your investments for 2024, then these few coins going to identify to you, going to show it to you is the best place for you to invest your coin, your money. Okay, and believe me, I've, after doing a long research about this coin, we realized that this coin is going to go higher and higher this very year. In the past few days, which is let's just say in the past 2 days, I have made no less than 100 USDT from this very coin for just trying. Okay, so the first coin I'm going to show you today is but before I go into that, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do not forget subscribe, like and share. Okay, and if you are equally also a returning viewer and you are yet to kind of subscribe to this very channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and as well share our videos. Okay, do not forget, make sure you have any of these verified exchange that has this coin listed. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do, we're going to use what is it called, bybit, for the sake of this tutorial. So the first coin I want you to check out is not coin. Do you know why? Let me tell you. Notcoin is one of those new babies in the crypto industry that was launched recently on Bybit. Okay, Notcoin. That was launched recently on what? On Bybit. If you can see, this is Notcoin. Okay, you can see this very place. It's actually moving faster, reading faster. Okay, about this coin when it was 0.0049, 0.0049, you can see that I've almost doubled my money. Okay, so you can see the Not coin doing well. So now I would like to take you to the chart. We're on the trade now. Let me take you to this chart here. Okay, let me take you to the chart quickly. You can see this is the chart. Okay, this is the what? This is the chart. You can see where it is now. You can see for the past few hours the coin has been doing well. It moved from 0.000750 to what? To 0.9. That's a very high move. To 0.009. That's a very high move. Okay, so from the statistic and the analysis, we have concluded that by special grace of God, this coin will reach 1 in the next few days. Okay, so if you don't want to be left out of this very market, all you just need to do is to watch this coin carefully and buy for your own sake. Okay, you can see I bought this coin when it was what? Let me show it to you. When it was as low as 0.0049, and since then I've been catching out. Okay, when it was 0 point here, 0.00 what? 0.0049 was when I bought this. Okay, and it took from this 0.0049 to this 0.0055368. Okay, from there it relaxed again. You can see this place. It relaxed again, which took 0.0052 as a low. Took this as a low. It went up again, come down again, and take the surprise move. Okay, you can see, and today we are in serious profit. Okay, so what you just need to do now, I think if you are seeing this video like right now, this is also the right time for you to buy. Okay, this is also what the right time for you to buy, because believe me, you're going to make a serious profit, but you need to be what, to be patient. Okay, you need to be what, you need to be very very patient. Okay, because if you must make profit from buying and holding, you must be what, you must be patient. Okay, and believe me, just buy some quantity, don't worry. Invest what you know that you can lose. Don't invest too much, but buy some quantity, you will see what you're going to get from it. Okay, so that is for what, that is for this coin, which is called what, which is called not coin. Okay, which is called what, which is called not coin. You know, a lot of people catch up from this, you know it. Okay, a lot of people traded this and they made a lot of fun from it. So the next coin I would love to show you right away is one of those baby coin as well, which belongs to BTC itself. Okay, and that coin is SATS. I've talked about this very coin before, and some people that are holding, that have been holding this coin, are already in profit. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial too, we're going to drop something here. We're going to buy. We're going to buy some few coins here. Going to buy some few coin here for the sake of this tutorial, so that you can see how really we mean this. Okay, you can see this coin is highly moving well. It's a kind of doing well like right away. Okay, looking at it from its previous performance, you can see where it goes from. It rise from 0.002. It rise from 0.002, 0.002, right? 0.002 is rise from here. Okay, and it has taken a very high move, 0.34. Okay, Satcoin is a Satoshi baby coin that we expect it to do very, 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 very well in the nearest time. Okay, so all you just need to do, buy this coin as well. Buy it with some money that you know that you can lose. Okay, don't buy too much, but buy few, and believe me honestly, you're going to enjoy the outcome of it. Okay, you will enjoy the what, the outcome of it. And as you can see, as I said earlier, it's a what, it's a BTC baby coin. It's a BTC what, it's a BTC coin. Okay, you can check, and it's a Satoshi coin as well. So all you just need to do is to buy this coin as well, and prepare for a very huge profit. Okay, prepare for a very huge profit. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want things to be too much. Hold on to this very best two coin, and believe me honestly, you enjoy it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming to this my channel. If you have not liked, please do it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not shared, please help share. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.